What is affiliate marketing? How to start affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular tactic to drive sales and generate significant online revenue. Extremely beneficial to both brands and affiliate marketers, the new push towards less traditional marketing tactics has paid off. Affiliate marketing is the process which an affiliate earns a commission for marketing another person's product. The affiliate simply searches for a product they enjoy, then promotes that product and earn a piece of the profit for each sale that they make. The sales are tracked via affiliate links from one website to another. How does affiliate marketing work? Stay watching and this is how. Affiliate marketing works by spreading the responsibilities of product marketing and creation across parties, and manages to leverage the abilities of a variety of individuals for a more effective marketing strategy while providing contributors with their share of profit. In other words, the affiliate promotes the product to persuade consumers that it is valuable or beneficial to them and convince them to purchase the product. If the consumers does end up buying the product, the affiliate receives a portion of the revenue made. Affiliates often have a very specific audience to whom they market, generally adhering to the audience interests. This creates a defined niche or personal brand that helps the affiliate attract consumers who will be most likely to act on the promotion. Whether the consumer knows it or not, they are the drivers of affiliate marketing. Affiliates share these products with them on social media, blogs, and websites. When consumers buy the product, the seller and affiliate share the profits. Sometimes the affiliate will choose to be upfront with the consumer by disclosing that they are receiving commissions for their sales that they make. And in other times they might be oblivious to the affiliate marketing infrastructure behind their purchase. Either way, they will rarely pay more for the product purchased through affiliate marketing. The affiliate's share of the profit is included in the retail price. The consumer will complete the purchase process and receive the products as normal, unaffected by the affiliate marketing system in which they are a significant part of. How do affiliate marketers get paid? This is how. A quick and inexpensive method of making money without the hassle of actually selling a product, affiliate marketing has an undeniable draw for those looking to increase their income online. But how does affiliate get paid after linking the seller to the consumer? The affiliate is paid based on the increase of web traffic. While any regular job requires you to be at work to make money, affiliate marketing offers you the ability to make money while you sleep. By investing an initial amount of time into a campaign, you will see continuous returns on the time as consumers purchase the product over the following days and weeks. The entire job of affiliate marketing is to link the seller with the consumer. The seller deals with any consumer complaints after you receive your commissions from the sale. Affiliate marketing can be done at a low cost, meaning you can get started quickly and without much hassle. There is no affiliate program fees to worry about and no need to create a product. Affiliate marketing is purely based on your performance. Most affiliates share common practices to ensure that their audience is engaged and receptive to purchasing promoted products. But not all affiliates advertise their products in the same way. Some affiliates or influencers have an impressive following, so it is easy for them to direct consumers to the seller's products through social media posts, blogs, and other interactions with their followers. The influencers or affiliates then receive the share of profits they help create. Influencer marketing campaigns are particularly popular to Instagram, where brands partners with influencers who are seen as experts or authorities in their niches. And sometimes affiliates have an email list that they can use to promote their products. Others may leverage email newsletters that include hyperlink to products, earning a commission after the consumer purchased the product. Another method for the affiliate is to build an email list over time. You can use various campaigns to collect emails en masse and then send out emails regarding the products that you are promoting. What affiliate marketing strategies should you employ when starting out? Building trust with your audience is paramount in affiliate marketing, and the quickest way to lose trust is to recommend products either you haven't used before or that aren't a good fit for your audience. If you only promote one merchant's product, you are stuck with their commissions, their landing pages, and ultimately their conversion rates. It is important to work with many different merchants in your niche and promote a wide range of products. The affiliate marketing strategy will diversify the number of commissions you make and create a steady stream of revenue when building affiliate websites. Let's say you have a promotion page where you're promoting a product via affiliate links. To get 200 referrals, you either focus on getting 5,000 more visitors or simply increase the conversion rate by 4%. Instead of spending months building domain authority when blogging and guest posts to get more organic traffic, you just have to increase the conversion rate by 2%. This will allow you to customize your messaging so that you can provide the best affiliate product recommendations. And the traffic source may include organic, paid social media, referral, display, email, and direct traffic. Follow the tips included in this video and you'll be able to start affiliate marketing the right way. Enhance your paycheck one click at a time. If you want to get started with affiliate marketing, click the link in the description.